Since the theme is Halloween, so we dressed up as some characters. We're not practically celebrating Halloween, so don't cancel us.
Ja, I am celebrating Halloween. Cancel me, bitch. ये थोड़े से costume नहीं पहन सकते.
है ना? Yeah, I am celebrating Halloween. I'm with you.
Halloween.
Yay! Okay, so we're gonna discuss the origin of Halloween. Okay, how did it start? Do you know how did Halloween start?
इसमें ना सबने back कर दे.
I'm not discussing a scientific process. It's a fun thing, yeah.
चलो go.
Like you guys aren't
Yeah,
interesting.
yes, I
Okay,
have no
how did the
idea.
thing start?
What is the origin of Halloween?
Like I was very interested in how April Fool started. Yeah,
I was interested in how Valentine's started.
yeah. Like origin is always
Thank you.
origin is always interesting.
अच्छा चल बता. लेकिन
So
उसको fun
Halloween
करके
started
बताएं.
actually like 2000 years ago.
ओए हाय.
In-
यार. चल यार. It's such textbook. It started 2000 years ago. Once
Halloween
upon a
started
time.
2000 years ago
Go.
among the Christians. As soon as the Christianity flourished, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
क्या कहना चाह रही हो?
मतलब Christianity spread हुई like among people. उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
I don't know.
You guys got it, you know?
ठीक है समझ जाओ.
So
Okay.
they believed that on the start of winter season, the spirits are released and they roam among the people. This thought that on the 1st of November, will you shut up?
Sorry. I'm trying to make it fun.
So they thought on the 1st of November जो है वो spirits और humans के बीच में जो एक wall होती है वो खत्म हो जाती है and they roam around the humans. So in order to protect themselves from the spirits, they dressed up as characters to like mix in them and मतलब they did bonfires and all of that कि रात को भी they lit up the things ताकि अंधेरे में जो spirits हैं उनको कुछ you know they don't do any harm और उनको खा ना चाहें. That thing was called Hallow Eve. So with the time it turned into Halloween. The like you know नाम थोड़ा थोड़ा change होता गया and turned into Halloween. That's how Halloween started. Second, I have a question. Do you think celebrating Halloween is unnecessary?
यार क्या है लोग खुश हो रहे हैं तो होए हैं like.
Exactly. Like I don't
don't really
understand
mind.
people.
मुझे तो वैलेंटाइन से भी मसला नहीं है. People are like oh like what a bitch.
ये अंग्रेजों
What?
का क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
त्योहार है.
हाँ अंग्रेजों का त्योहार है. Which come on, enjoy the fucking day.
है ना. Same with Halloween. I'm like क्या है मतलब.
You
what's-
just got a day to get ready as any character.
हाँ,
Like enjoy
yeah,
it. the shit.
हाँ मतलब it's just like having like color day at school, like costume day at
Yes,
school.
it's like
you
a
know?
costume party. Like
Yeah.
fucking enjoy it. You don't have to be this is a
हाँ, fucking Karen about it.
yeah. We have lots of other things to worry about, so worry about them.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Anyways,
Since it's
Halloween.
Halloween, since it's Halloween, so we'll discuss some creepy stories and stuff, which is like very creepy.
Creepy stories.
Manal
and
will start.
mysterious stories.
Manal will start.
We're gonna do real life stories that are very mysterious, that were never solved, like cold cases and serial killer shit, like the disturbing things they do. We have a list. So let's
Something
get
is
into
wrong
it.
with my.
Okay, you go. मैं तब तक Ted Bundy के ways to murder देखती हूँ.
Yeah. So there was a serial killer. He was called Albert Fish.
Okay.
He was also known as the Grey Man. He was a child killer and a cannibal who wrote detailed letters to his victims' families describing how he had murdered and eaten their loved ones. मतलब पहले he used to kill the kids
और फिर
and then
उनकी
he
family को
wrote
बताता था?
letters in a very detailed thing कि मैंने उसको ऐसे मारा और ऐसे खाया है. He used to write letters to the family.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And he also inflicted severe pain on himself using needles he would insert into his body, which were later found on X-rays. So that's
क्या
like
needles लुकी की तरह?
like he injured himself.
Himself?
Yeah, that's very
Why?
rare thing. I never saw any serial killer actually
हाँ, अपने
like
आप
you
को
know
भी hurt
अपने आप को
करते
hurt
हैं।
करते हुए. They hurt the victims, but this is interesting.
That is अजीब.
I
extreme.
really want to interview a serial killer. Like,
Bro, have you
what
seen
do
interviews actual of serial killers?
No.
Bro, तुम देखो ना the way मतलब
How did I miss it?
मतलब they're like normal, like they fucking know what they've done. ये वाला सीन है वो उस तरह बात कर रहे
The
होते
serial
हैं.
killers who surrender yeah anything, they're very like normal and
हाँ,
confident.
मतलब
And police
calm
is
as
like,
fuck.
like imagine police is saying you did 150 murders and it's like I did 300, you dumbasses.
कौन था
Being
ये
that
मुझे नाम
chill.
भूल गया, but that was insane.
Yeah.
Imagine how useless police has to be to not know I don't know math.
How
but
many
what is
people are, like,
300
missing?
minus 110? That number of murders.
Like even if you are killing homeless people ना, जिनके आगे पीछे कोई नहीं है, still you would know कि that person is missing or anything. People with families and police doesn't know कि कोई मारा गया है या someone is missing for years.
यही तो बात है.
It's so.
अच्छा, टेड बंडी ये करता था कि he used to lure his victims to a vehicle parked in a more like इस तरह का एरिया, और वो उनको unconscious कर देता था and then handcuffs वगैरह.
What?
और फिर he would sexually assault ये वो. और पता क्या, he used to revisit the bodies of those he has abducted and killed and perform sexual acts on the corpses until decomposition. Chilling.
Fuck.
I know, right? Like he wouldn't stop until it's like not possible.
To fuck.
Yeah, basically.
Oh my god. I need a woman in this field.
Why there are female serial killers as well?
Let me dig them out. I need to know. Okay.
फिर ताशी को बता रही हूँ यार उस लड़की ने ऐसे से.
You go girl. That's how.
Oh god. He then became a.
Oh my god.
अच्छा, और टेड बंडी की हरकतें हैं.
So there was a serial killer, Gary Hednick, I don't know. He used to kidnap women and उसके पास एक warehouse type था, वहाँ पे वो लेके जाता था and he used to sexually assault them and perform surgeries on them while they were like conscious and कोई उनको anesthesia वगैरह or not anything. He used to open their stomachs and warm and perform surgeries and he used to record it. And the woman would be still in her senses. मतलब उनको बेहोश नहीं करता था और neither any anesthesia or like tablets or anything. And once he like kidnapped a couple from the road, they were looking for a lift, Sankalipti, and he brought them into the warehouse. First he killed the man and separated his head. Then he tied up the woman and performed a surgery on her. He opened her womb and put the head inside her womb of her boyfriend or husband, whoever he was, and then he stitched it. And he recorded the whole thing and sold it on like dark web. And the woman died after like 3 days of constant bleeding and
oh my
pain.
यार स्टार उसने जेफरी डामर की एक स्टोरी थी. आई कैन नॉट फाइंड इट. अभी मैंने पढ़ी थी बट खैर मैं ऐसे ही बता देती हूँ. बेसिकली व्हाट ही डिड वाज, हाँ उसने ना उसका एक विक्टिम था जिस एक लाइक अ गाय. अच्छा वो ही वाज क्या पढ़ लिया पहले बताओ.
जेफरी डामर की पढ़ी थी. Used to drill holes in his victims' skulls.
मैं यही बताने लगी थी. I was going to tell this. Bro, he पता क्या किया उसने? The guy he was 16 or 14. He was also pedophilic obviously. These fuckers don't have any limits. तो what he did was he कोई लड़का था उसको ही मतलब lured or whatever और उसने उसको drill किया hole, ठीक है, और उस पर उसने drugs वगैरह whatever कि मतलब उसको कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या हो रही है. बिल्कुल ही वो मतलब अनकॉन्शियस नहीं है, कॉन्शियस है बट ही कैन नॉट फील अ थिंग, ही कैन नॉट नो अ थिंग.
Obviously the overdose of drugs.
यूज शूज. और फिर पता क्या हुआ था, वो बंदा वो फिर भाग गया था. वो भाग गया है और वो गली वगैरह में गया और पुलिस भी आई. पुलिस फकिंग केम और उन्होंने इंटेरोगेट भी किया एंड समहाउ जेफरी कन्विंस्ड के यार ही इज माय गे लवर और ही इज जस्ट
Didn't saw the hole in his head?
I don't fucking know. Even the woman in the street वो कह रहे थे कि यार it seems sus because he has blood all over the shirt and whatever.
Yes.
लेकिन उसने somehow convince कर दिया कि no he's my gay lover, he's just angry and this. And the police actually went away और वो फिर मर गया. I mean, they could have saved the guy, but they didn't do shit. Can you imagine like witnessing a fucking whole ass crime and being like, oh.
Imagine seeing a hole in someone that, oh yeah, it's casual. They're just.
Yeah, I
Who
know.
does that?
That's fucked up. That's how much the police works.
Oh my god. I just sometimes wonder, like, how do they start?
How do they start?
Yeah, like, how do you discover कि you enjoy eating or killing people or assaulting them? How do you come to have this piece of information?
I think
that you would enjoy this.
It's mostly curiosity.
Curiosity of what? Like, I never wondered that.
Sorry.
Imagine sitting there like, I wonder how would it be like to eat a man.
I wonder how he tastes.
Doesn't make sense to me. Like, how do you start? Or do you start from a smaller level, like you first kill someone by accident and then you say, oh, ये तो मजा आया मुझे.
How do you kill someone by accident?
Like, just assumptions, just my like guesses,
Yeah,
you
but
know.
you can, I don't think you can kill someone by accident.
But how do you like you are bored and like, let's kill someone, you know?
Let's go out.
How?
Kill that bitch. Let's go cook him.
Doesn't make sense to me. How do you start this shit? How do you?
Bhai, Jeffrey Dahmer, he used to freeze the brain of his victims. Do you know that? Yeah, you have to watch the series. It's so your type.
Oh my god.
You'll love it. Netflix hire me. बहुत मजे का सीन है. मजे का तो नहीं मतलब, you know, you get it. अच्छा, इसके अलावा.
Okay, I have a Russian serial killer.
Okay.
Andrei Chikatilo.
What that bitch?
Chikatilo.
Bitch, dude.
Imagine saying it in a Russian as Andrei Chikatilo. He was called the Butcher.
Okay.
He brutally killed his victims and disemboweling them, biting off their body parts.
Oh my god. I'm gonna puke.
He used to do the rituals
What ritual?
with their body parts. I don't know.
I don't wanna know.
I don't know, like maybe draw a circle and the candles, you know, वो वाला जो बनता है with the triangles in it.
Oh god.
I once heard India में एक story थी, a couple were उनका मतलब कोई बच्चा नहीं हो रहा था and they went to a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो जो उनके बाबे होते हैं पंडित. Yes,
Okay.
Pandit. उसके पास गए and he said you need 4 ingredients: the head of a owl and some blood and I don't know what he said,
I think
kidney of a young boy. मतलब if you want a boy, then you will need a kidney of a young boy and some fourth thing. And you have to cook them all together and eat the salan and then you will get pregnant. He did this. And what they did, they bought a young kid from their parents. The parents sold the kid for money.
Okay.
And they got the kid. फिर उन्होंने किसी को पैसे दिए उसको मार के ज़िबा करने के लिए. And he gave them the kidney. And then they मतलब did all the
उसी को
rituals.
वोट ले लेते इतना क्या था? I don't get it.
Exactly, it doesn't make sense to me. And kidney तो इतने आराम से मिल जाती है. You have lots of donors. Why would you need to buy a fucking छोटा बच्चा and then you hired someone, gave him money to
Maybe
kill
उस
the
time में
kid?
ना मिलता हो kidneys and shit. लेकिन you could just
It's like
adopt
6 months
the guy.
ago.
अच्छा?
It's so recent.
This is too recent.
Yeah. I didn't understand a single thing in this ritual. मतलब why do you need
Oh
a
my
kidney of a
God.
guy and why do you need to buy the kid and kill him yourself and then take out the kidney? You could get it from a donor or something.
Bro, they could just adopt the damn kid. अगर उन्होंने खरीद लिया था तो उसी को
Yes,
वोट ले लेते
exactly. How hard was it? I don't understand the people who like don't adopt kids just because क्या मतलब it won't be our
Just
plan.
because. You know that meme? I had to do it. Just because. Fuck my head. Go on.
Okay.
Oh god. I'm on some funny juice today.
Okay, how did they like bury the victims in their houses? It's so smelly. Like nobody complained. The neighbors
हाँ
or
ना, तो जेफरी
something.
डामर का यही सीन हुआ था कि someone complained कि भाई his place is like stinking bad और वो यही सीन था कि there were fucking brains rotting in his fridge जिसकी smell आ रही थी and that's how he got caught.
Oh my god.
कितना crazy है ना?
Fuck.
टेड बंडी को पता है वो कहा जाता है like one of the most handsome serial killer. Girls were going crazy.
A girl named that. I know you. You know the जैसे मतलब he had an accident and he killed a mother and two children. Green eyes उसकी back in 2020 or 2019. And everyone was like, please leave him, he's
Oh
gone.
my god, yeah, I remember. What is wrong with you?
What is
He
wrong?
killed a bitch. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
Killed a mother of 2 babies.
लेकिन यही सीन है टेड बंडी के इतने केसेस यार इतने अजीब अजीब किस्म के and still people are like
But he's hot.
He's hot.
Be fucking for real with me.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Imagine you're married and you're living a very happy life and your husband is a serial killer and you don't know about it.
Imagine what his wife went through. उसका क्या बना होगा? उसने क्या क्या सोचा होगा?
यार एक तो उनके नाम I swear.
दिखा मैं पढ़ती हूँ.
What was Eileen Wuornos. Eileen Wuornos. Yeah. Referred as damsel of death.
Okay.
She was a rare female serial killer who claimed to have killed in self-defense. Her life and murders inspired several documentaries and the film Monster. Have you seen the film Monster?
Not at all.
Me neither, you know. She was born in Michigan.
Halloween, guys.
What is wrong with me? Okay.
Go on.
Her father was a child molester and went to prison,
Acha.
and later he did suicide, and her mother abandoned her.
Halloween.
पानी चाहिए मुझे. Okay. And her brother when she was very young, leaving her to be raised by her grandparents. Next, she reportedly suffered significant abuse and childhood trauma. Obviously, why would a woman do this?
Go on.
You cannot stop her. She began engaging in sex work as a teenager, using it as a mean of her survival. First murder was, she killed 7 men in Florida.
First murder, 7 men. Kya baat? You go, girl.
In 2 years, in that time
Okay.
lapse of 2 years. She claimed that the murders were act of self-defense, stating the men had either sexually assaulted her or during the work as a sex worker. So she killed them. Then she targeted middle-aged men. Yes. Yes. Many of whom. Okay, never mind. Carry on. Many of whom were strangers who picked her up while she was hitchhiking. Her method to
Hitchhiking. Fucking Halloween देते. किधर है story?
Very
मैं
funny.
पढ़ूंगी.
I'm done.
I thought it was some new word.
Hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking के बाद.
First he got a laugh fighting, then he got hitchhiking, and then he was very happy
Halloween.
Happy.
on the Halloween.
Water bottle.
अच्छी edit.
सब काट देना मैंने सब काट देना इसमें.
सब छोड़ो, let's start English classes.
Yeah, I know, right?
आपने English classes
हाँ.
मैं कह रहा इतनी अच्छी है.
मैं उर्दू के वर्ड भी ऐसे बोलती हूँ इसलिए डोंट कॉल मी इलिटरेट और समथिंग. मैं हूँ ही ऐसी. आई हैव समथिंग.
Fuck this, हम नहीं पढ़ रहे. बस ठीक है. Guys,
Bye.
so sorry, Pradashi cannot speak, so we have to end this podcast.
Technical issues.
I'm gonna teach her some good words
Okay.
and then we'll be right back, inshallah, next week. Bye.
I would just